Render is going above $15 and I'm going to tell you why. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doug and in today's video I'm going to explain to you why Render is going above $15 in the upcoming weeks and also going to give you my price prediction of the Render price in the upcoming bull run. And of course I'm not gonna talk too much and get straight into the point of this video. So the first topic I want to talk about is price discovery. Price discovery happens basically once a coin breaks its previous all-time high. We saw this earlier in December with Injective, which basically went from like $25, its previous all-time high, all the way up to $45, which is an increase of 80% in only 2 weeks, literally from Monday 11th till like Monday 25th. But not only Injective is doing price discovery, also FED, who basically broke its previous all-time high of $1.20 3 days ago, is already up 52% in 3 days. And the reason why price discovery is so strong is because there's no underwater bag holders. Everybody's winning, everybody's euphoric, and this is why Render needs to break his all-time high. So the current Render price of $7.83 is really close to his all-time high. If we scroll down on CoinMarketCap, we can see that the all-time high of Render from November 21st, 2021 is $8.76. So we're only 10% off, and in the last weeks we actually went above to like 830, 840 levels. So all-time high is going to break really soon. But what does this mean when we enter price discovery? Well, if we use the same numbers as we did on Injective, which basically went up 80% from its price discovery 2 weeks after it broke all-time high. If we do the same thing for Render, so we got the all-time high of 8.76, and if we add 80%, that basically brings us to a price of almost $16. So this would mean that Render could really go above $15 really soon after it breaks its price discovery. But it could go even harder like FED. But why is FED going hard? Of course, because of the AI hype, Nvdia crushing numbers and more. But there's even more AI hype coming and people are still sleeping on it. The thing I'm talking about is Nvdia GTC, basically the world's largest AI conference and expo happening on March 18 till 21. So you're going to see Jensen Huang, the CEO and founder of Nvdia. He's basically saying that you cannot miss this transformative moment in AI. And if you're seeing who's speaking, it's only big companies. We got the VP of Meta, we got the COO of OpenAI, the world's largest growing consumer application. We got Google directors, we got vice president of Microsoft Gen. So we got all these AI big speakers on the main stage of AI. So we're expecting AI coins like Render to pump really heavily. But Render has something which no other crypto coin has. Basically, the CEO even speaking on the event. So basically the CEO Jules Urbach will be speaking on March 20th about the future of rendering, real-time ray tracing, AI, holographics displays and the blockchain. So we'll be basically discussing the roadmap for Octane Render and the Render network, and this is gonna cause a lot of hype once people realize that Render and the CEO of Render and Otoy have been working with Nvdia for over a decade. The AI hype will be so big that people just pile into Render. And if you combine this moment with a price discovery which could happen any week, like it could happen this weekend, next week, and basically in 3 weeks it's an Nvdia event. So combining the world's largest Nvdia AI event with a price discovery of Render could even pull Render way more about $15 in the next 3-4 weeks, and people are still sleeping on it. Like, this might be one of the greatest opportunities in my opinion to go in Render. Of course, always DC in, don't go all out because it could be risky, we could have a market setback, but it's looking very, very good for Render right now. And now that we had the part of why Render will go about $15, you guys want to know how much that Render will be worth by the 2025 bull run. But before I do this, if you want to buy Render Bitcoin and over 1,000 crypto coins while getting $30,000 in bonuses and rewards for just depositing and buying crypto as shown on screen, just go to the top of the description and click on the partner Bybit link. Once you're at the partner Bybit link, be sure you see my name or my referral code so you can get up to $30,000 in deposit rewards. You really don't want to miss out on this free reward. So now it's time to my prediction about how much I think that Render could be worth in the next bull run. So I always look at two important metrics for my price prediction, basically the current market cap and also the ranking. So Render is currently at rank 39. So if we go back to historical data of the 2021 bull run, we could see that a rank 39 crypto had a market cap of 5.5 billion. But of course, bull runs will get bigger and bigger. So if we go back to the 2017 bull run, we can see that a top 39 ranked crypto had a market cap of around 1.3 billion. So basically a 4x in market cap from 1.3 billion to 5.5 billion. So how much would this mean for Render with a rank 39 in the upcoming bull run? So basically, Render currently at $7.85 with a market cap of 3 billion. A rank 39 crypto of the last bull run had a market cap of around 5.5 billion. But of course, every bull run a rank 39 crypto becomes bigger. So the next one could be up to 22 billion in market cap or more. This would mean that basically on its current rank of 39, that Render could be at a $58 price by market cap. But of course, Render is going way higher in my opinion than rank 39. Last year this time around we were like rank 139. So we have already climbed 100 ranks in a single year. So in my opinion, top 10 is coming. And this is basically backed by the information that Nvdia, the world's largest manufacturer of GPUs, is a top 10 stock and currently even sitting at rank 3 in the world with a market cap of 2.05 trillion, which is basically equal to the entire crypto market. And this is the main reason why I think that Render, which is basically the Nvdia of crypto, will become a top 10 crypto. Like rank 39 isn't even that far away. It's like a 4x from top 10. So it's easily possible. And of course, a lot of people are wondering how much a top 10 crypto would mean for the Render price, and I'm going to give you information at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like if you did. Also follow me on Twitter at TheRealDoc to know when I talk about Render and other bullish crypto things. Click on the screen right now if you want to know how much that Render can actually be in the next bull run. Subscribe to this channel for more crypto content and YouTube. Until next time.